Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a product on Etsy. If you want to shop for handmade, vintage or craft supplies on Etsy, here's how you can easily buy them. First of all, launch open Etsy application on your device and log in. Once you're logged into the homepage of Etsy, go ahead and tap on any products or use the search bar at the top in order to buy by searching for a product. After you search for the product from the search results, go ahead and find the product you'd like to purchase. Once you find the product in the info section, tap on Buy It Now. Now follow through the on-screen instructions. You'll need to go ahead and enter some of the information during checkout. Go ahead and select your country, enter your full name, enter your street address, and then, optionally, you can also enter your phone number and your flat information. Finally, after entering these, tap on Continue to Payment at the bottom right. On the next page, select a payment method. You can go ahead and add a bank card. Choose Apple Pay or PayPal as your mode of payment. Whichever option you select, go ahead and enter the credentials needed in order to check out. Now, click on the Checkout button on the next page and follow through the instructions. After completing your checkout, you'll be able to place order on Etsy. That is how you can easily buy on Etsy safely and effectively. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.